If your shower is only giving you hot water and no cold, it's probably a problem with the pressure balancing valve or cartridge inside the faucet. So, first off, check if your shower faucet has a pressure balancing cartridge. That's the little part inside that mixes cold and hot water to keep the temperature steady. Over time, these cartridges can wear out or get clogged with mineral buildup, especially if you have hard water. To fix it, turn off your water supply, remove the handle and trim plate, then pull out the cartridge and inspect it. If it looks worn or dirty, you can clean it with vinegar or replace it entirely. Replacement cartridges usually cost around $20 to $50 and are available online or at hardware stores. When you put a new cartridge in, make sure it's compatible with your brand, like Delta or Moen, since they use different designs. Also, double check that your cold water valve is fully open because sometimes it gets accidentally turned down. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, calling a plumber is a good move, but fixing the cartridge is often a simple and affordable DIY job. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with shower temperature issues is ignoring the pressure balancing valve and just blaming the water heater or plumbing overall. Another common problem is not turning off the main water supply before trying to fix anything, which can lead to leaks or water damage. Lastly, using the wrong replacement cartridge or forcing parts can mess up your faucet and cause more problems. To avoid these, always identify your faucet brand before buying parts, shut off water before working on the valve, and handle parts gently during removal and installation. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can fix issues like this fast. For contractors, it's a great way to find real clients looking for help on home repairs and renovations.